Welcome to our video on how to submit a restricted veterinary practices derogation. The first thing you will need to do is log in to your account. If you do not have an account, please follow our previous video on how to create an account and register as a farmer. That will only need to be done once, and then you can log in each time you intend to apply for a derogation. You will first need to select the relevant animal species in the tabs at the top of the page. For this example, we are selecting sheep. You will then need to select the derogation button and disregard the search section. Under this, you will select what kind of derogation you are applying for. In this example, we are selecting restrictive veterinary practice, as we will be showing you how to apply to tail dock and castrate lambs. We will then select Continue to the search filters. These three filters will need to be selected before continuing to search. If the breed you are looking for is not available, you could either select Other or select Desired breed not listed, where you can submit a new breed to be added onto the list. You will then select Gender. We will be castrating and tail docking male lambs, so I will select Male. And under the age category, I will select lambs. Selecting Search will bring up the prompt to submit request, and this will bring up the application form. This has brought up the derogation form, which I will now complete as relevant. This form will vary depending on what species you are carrying it out on, as different species have different veterinary practices that are allowed. For this, I will be tail docking 5 lambs and castrating 5 lambs. Please note, for the tail docking and castration of lambs, it must be done within 8 days of birth. If you are looking to castrate later than that, please contact the office for details. At the end of this form, you will need to select the declaration button. Please note there are also extra details at the bottom of this page if you have any questions regarding the derogation. If you have used our paper form previously, you will know that on the first page it includes a spot for the vet to sign and stamp in regards to both sheep and goat derogations. This form is also available at the back of the record book should you want to check this. This is in relation to waiving the use of anesthetic or analgesia when tail docking and castrating lambs. If you are using analgesia or anesthetic, please keep a copy of the prescription. Otherwise, you will need to have a vet signature and stamp and will need to attach this to this form. If it is not attached to the form, we will follow up with you to confirm whether or not you will be using the anesthetic or analgesia. To attach a document to this form, you will need to select Add and click to select a file. I'm choosing my vet signature, which includes a vet stamp and signature and the practice that I am indicating that I want to carry out. I will then select Send to apply for the derogation. This will go to Organic Trust for approval. Some other derogations may also require the department's approval. For example, a poultry derogation requesting stock will require it. To view your derogations that have been both approved and are waiting approval, please go to the menu at the top right corner of the page and select List of Applications. Here you'll be able to see all the derogations you've applied for before. Once this derogation has been processed and approved, the status of the derogation will change from open to accepted. Once this has happened, here in the Organic Trust, we will take the derogation approval, save it to your file, and send it on to you. You can also save it to your computer by clicking the square box at the far right, selecting View, and choosing to print. Under this, you can either print directly to a printer or select Save as PDF to save it to your computer. If you have any issues with this process or having any trouble at all, please contact us here in the office by emailing info@organictrust.ie or calling 045 88 2377. This concludes our video on how to apply for restricted veterinary practice derogation. For other derogation videos, please see the other videos on our website. Thank you.